So we're back at Power Court today, and the reason being there seems to have been quite a few developments over the last week or so. So I'm going to fly over where we were looking the other week. You can see the stones have been processed there still. And we're going to fly directly over this way, because what will be of interest to Luton fans is in this corner. So when I came the other week, didn't pay particular attention to here. It was looking like something was being built. As of today, we actually have the start of the substation appearing. You can see there, the substation started to be built, the foundations are in place, the first pieces of equipment have arrived. It's quiet, it is Sunday today, so there's not much going on site, but that is the big development here at Power Court, that the actual substation equipment has started to be put into place. There's been a lot of earthworks again, as we'd expect. Lots of equipment now on site. As we pan round. Actually got a long-term permission now from Luton to film here. So we'll be able to track this really as often as I can get to Luton. Not much actually happening on site, still all the ground clearances to do. But we're going to pan around here. And then we're going to fly back across the site, as we always do, but you can see there's been a lot of earthworks taking place. I'm going to come back down here. See, a lot of works have been done. This area here has been the sort of focal point as I passed on the train. You can see the works on Bute Street in the distance there. So that's going to be the new performing arts and flats that they're building. But they've spent a considerable amount of time here working on this section. There's diggers every morning as I pass, working away. Yeah, the main focus at the moment is on this area. You can see here how much lower it is. I'll have to make a journey here in the week so you can see the amount of work that's actually going on here. But yeah, that main focal point for this flight is these works over here. So yeah, substation starting to appear on site. This isn't going to be quick, you know, we're not going to be seeing a stadium soon. It's not even been through full planning for the actual design of the stadium. The flats have got full planning. Let's run right over and get the picture, and that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll keep the videos coming, and hopefully we'll see development on this site soon. But that's the update for this week. This substation is now not just a set of foundations. There is equipment installed. I mean, there will be a lot more to be done here. Here's just the first piece of equipment you can see there, and after that they'll be able to demolish the old substation and actually get building on this project. Just pan around, you can see. So obviously once it's built, there'll be a cabling to do. It's not going to be a case of once it's built, a stadium will appear here. It's going to be years. Actually an old building there. That's the old substation actually. Which is right in the way of the footprint for the stadium, I believe. But yeah, as always, thanks to Luton ATC for making this easy, and that's dealing with the permit. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching all. Very quick overview here of the new playhouse. I believe that they're building here on Bute Street in Luton. You can see the site has now been cleared. It was a car park. It sits right in front of Luton Station, which you can see there in the background. The site's going to be home to a performance centre. There's going to be, I believe, some flats as well. Has been criticised for removing the parking in the town centre. As you can see now, the car park is now completely gone. Demolition has taken place. There used to be an entrance there. It's where I filmed my first ever parkour video from. And that site's now ready for development. You see the diggers and everything on site. Yeah, that's Luton Station in the background. Head over the top there. Just give you a better view. What's happening there? Hopefully we'll see step-free access soon on the station as well. Is discussed on that in 2024. The main station in the middle of Luton doesn't have lifts. That's a video for a different day. I think in the background you probably see, just a bit too far away, there's another building that's due to come down on the corner of the road there for development into flats. That is the next site in Luton that we'll be following as well. So again, thanks for watching, and new videos coming on HS2 soon.